Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about these pressure switches. Okay guys, so as you could see, these are the signal coming from a transmitter or a transducer. IP, pneumatic signal, 0.2 to 1. Okay, just like this guys, you see this one. So we have a signal here, our value here, this one. So we have 65% the setting. For we have here the high alarm setting and the low alarm setting. Okay guys, so if you want to change the setting, just open this one and then move this one. Okay, if you want to increase the setting, so we return it back. Okay, so that's how you set the alarm setting. So this is for high and this is for low. So now we have the setting here 70% and the low setting is 55%. Okay, so this is our pressure switches. So from the transmitter, then we have the valve. At the bottom, these are the contact from high and low, 1, 2. Okay, so this is the pressure switches. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.